Hey girls, coming to you live from my house. So I'm sitting here looking at the weather forecast for tomorrow, and I'm thinking it's going to be pretty craptastic for us to drive to Baker. I don't know if they'll cancel or not. It's looking like my school district is going to cancel in Clinton Township, so I'm going to assume Baker will be closed. If they don't close, I'm making the decision. Some of you drive from really far, and it's not worth risking our lives. So enjoy your day off tomorrow, but that means we're online again this week, and we have some jobs to do. This week will be a little more interactive and discussion board, so you're going to have to be hopping onto Canvas a couple times this week. So if you go to Module 4, I'm going to be looking at my computer now. You can see our assignments here. We are going to dive into the lesson plan template this week. So there is a PowerPoint right here if you need a step-by-step tutorial on how to fill it in. There is a blank template right here for you to download to your computer. And this is an explanation document. So each section of the lesson plan is filled in with an explanation of what is going in there. So I'd like for you to read chapter 4. It's a really good chapter on shape activities. And there are 2 assignments for this week. There's also a PowerPoint right here if you like to have your thoughts organized into something like that. All right, let me open up our Module 4 online assignments, get my Word document. Here it is. We are going to be making a guess what game. So you're going to be making a little 5-page flip book with construction paper and a magazine or a photo, something on the very last page. And you're going to start with a big hole. Wait, is it the small hole first or the big hole first? I think the smallest hole first, then a little bit of a bigger hole, and then a little bit of a bigger hole. And we're guessing what the final picture is on the back page. You are going to show us your book in a short, super short video clip you can upload to YouTube for free. And you're posting it in the discussion board area, which I will show you is, how do I get to discussion board in here? Post your guess what book videos here. So you'll click in here, you'll reply and make a thread. We are going to watch your guess what video, and we're going to guess what your picture is of. So we're not 3 and 4-year-olds. Make it hard for us. And then a day after that, we'll post pictures in our threads of the last page of our book to see what it was. So that is part 1 of your online work. The second part is doing a mock lesson plan. You're going to find some kind of shape, spatial math activity online. Don't make anything up. This isn't meant to be like you creating something brand new. Chapter 4 has a ton of ideas for activities regarding shapes in your book. You can look on Pinterest, you can look on Google. You are going to fill in the lesson plan, the 200 level lesson plan, to see where you have struggles, to see where you think pitfalls are. If you get stuck during the week, I want you to go over to discussion board. And as you can see right here, we have a learning experience plan section. So if you have a question, if you have a part of your lesson, you can tell us about the activity you have and you're having problems filling in that part of the plan. Hopefully we can get some kinks worked out before we start turning in our 8 other lesson plans in the coming weeks. So we just need to be mindful and practicing what we're doing. So the second part is also in that Word document about writing the lesson plan. Like I said, you have a lot of resources in your book. Obviously, the internet is a huge resource. Your chapter is a huge resource. I'm trying to think, was there anything else? And then I think starting week 6, we're going to have our first math demo. So when we return together for Module 5, I will have some fun stuff for us to do. And we will practice what a demo looks like, and then we'll get going. Don't forget Module 5, your cognitive milestone charts are due. Oh my God, dogs. My dogs are ringing the bells to go outside. Stop it. I'll let you out in a minute. Some of you have already turned them in, and I've just graded them. I graded the online assignments for last week, so those are up. And then this week, they have explained to you the writer-researcher PowerPoint presentation. So take a look at that just to have an idea when that's coming up due, and that is due in Module 8. So it's just kind of giving you a heads up. All right. Email me, michelle.spencer@baker.edu if you have any questions. And be safe tomorrow. Don't drive if you don't have to. And hopefully Baker will cancel. All right. Talk to you next Monday. 2 Mondays. Bye.